Hey guys, what's up? Neostar here, and welcome to another exciting video. So who exactly is Alexandra Gater? Alexandra is an American editor and self-made decor expert from Toronto who currently makes videos about stylish decor that is cost efficient. In 2015, Gater graduated on Dean's List from the University of Toronto Scarborough with high distinction for an honors in Bachelor of Arts degree, specializing in journalism, and minoring in studio arts in 2015. Before graduating, Alexandra was hired on with a full-time position with Canada's iconic women's lifestyle magazine, Chatelaine. She worked at the publication for almost 4 years and worked her way up to the home editor position. She currently runs her own business as a YouTube personality. Her YouTube career, titled after her name, is a collection of service-driven decor content, including budget room makeovers, decor hauls, and room tours, and her videos are viewed more than 1 million times per month. Alexandra is also a guest expert on Cityline, the longest running and most successful daytime show for women in North America, and her decor work has been published in several magazines across Canada. If we look at Social Blade, we can see Alexandra Gater currently has 404,000 subscribers with a total of 47 million video views. As of the posting of this video, Alexandra currently earns roughly $3,000 a month and $40,000 annually, and this doesn't take into account sponsorships or other outside income not housed within YouTube. If you are interested in home decor in any way, I highly recommend checking out her channel. Her videos are cute, charming, and delightful to watch, so you should check her out when you get the chance. Anyway guys, that's it for me. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps out my channel. And if you have any suggestions on who you'd like me to do next, just leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!